So hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube name if you have a YouTube channel. One of my Roblox friends has a YouTube channel, so now I'm going to show them how to do this. So first you want to go to a new tab, type in YouTube, and then you're going to see YouTube. You're going to click that, of course. Type in your YouTube name, so mine is E.A.W. Crow, right? And I got here. Okay, so I'm gonna click my YouTube channel. Alright, you guys don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but if you guys have a YouTube channel, this is what you're gonna do. So you're gonna go to your YouTube channel, right, and then you're gonna see these two options over here. Go to customize channel. Okay? And then so then after that you're going to go to where is it? You're gonna go to basic info, right? And then you have your name right here. And then this is my name, E.A.W. Crow, and then you click this like marker thing here. You click it, and then you can like delete, and then E.A.W, and then the crow over there. Right, so that is how you change, and then I'm gonna click publish on the corner over here, and then you're gonna see go to channel. So I'm gonna go to my channel, and then you see this, right? So that's how you change your YouTube name. So one of you guys have been asking me how to do that, so I'm showing you guys right now. Right, so yes, we're gonna go over it one more time. Alright, so go to your YouTube channel if you have one, click customize channel. That's gonna bring you to here, and then you're gonna go to basic info, and then you're gonna see a little marker somewhere around here. You're gonna click that marker, and then you're gonna see first name and then last name, and you're gonna put your first name and then last name in there. I just put E.A.W. Crow. I'm hoping to see what you guys have done. But yes, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.